Hi everyone, my name is Rohit Sani. In this video, we are going to learn how we can create our own custom Xcode template. I have already built one, let me just show you. If I try to add a new file and search for Viper, so this is my custom template for creating Viper modules, and we'll try to build something similar. I have written some simple steps. We'll just follow these steps one by one and try to add a new custom template. So the first step is go to add this path. I'll just copy this one and go to Finder. Okay, and I will use VS Code for creating folders and files inside that template's path, or in order to create a new custom template. So now we have completed our first step. So the next step is create a folder named templates at this path. So I have already built my custom template before, so that's why you can see this folder templates is already presented here. So I don't have to create another one. If you don't have one, just create one using this make directory command and then templates. Next step is we have to create a new folder inside that templates folder. I'll give it a name custom folder. Uh, so we'll go into templates folder and create this folder custom folder inside templates folder. Okay. The fourth step is create a folder named custom folder XC template inside custom folder. First of all, we'll change our directory into custom folder. Now we are inside custom folder and we'll create another directory custom folder.exe template. Okay, number 4 is completed. Step number 5 is add template info.plist file inside custom folder.exe template. uh, I'll change directory to custom folder.exe template, and using this touch command I'll create this file template info.plist, and the content of this file template info.plist we can copy from our previous template. And using Vim editor we can modify the content of this plist file, paste, and you can modify the content of this file according to your requirements. I'll just change it to module and save and quit. Step number 5 is completed, and step number 6 is we have to create a file base name inside this custom folder.exe template. I'll use the touch command file base name dot swift, and content of this file we can copy from our previous template. uh, and modify the content of this file base name using this Vim editor, insert, paste, and just save as it is. Okay, uh, so now you can see here our this custom template is completed. We have our file base name, and we have our template info.plist, and if I try to, okay, let me just see. Yeah, so we are done. You can also add the icons for that using this template icon.png name for your icons. And if I try to add a new newly built custom template inside my Xcode and search for custom. You can see here custom folder and click next. I'll give it a name like Sani. So now you can see that sani.swift file is created and we have some predefined boilerplate code is here. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll attach this PDF file along with the video.